Hey guys, first of all, Happy New Year to all of you. I truly hope 2026 is treating you well so far. I've been away from you guys for a couple of weeks. I just needed to take a breather and recenter. But I'm back, I'm back, I'm back. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. I'm really glad you're here. On my channel, I share my weight loss journey very openly. And I want to give you guys that are new a little context. I started this journey on February 24th of 2025, weighing in at 270.2 pounds. As of today, January 17th, I am weighing in at 168.8 pounds, which means I'm officially down 101.4 pounds. And honestly, I still have to pause when I say that. It's so amazing. Now, my weight loss has definitely slowed down over the last month, drastically, actually. And I'm completely okay with that. As I told you guys in my previous video, if I were to not lose any more weight, I would be absolutely okay. But of course, the goal is to lose 30 more pounds. And I'm over the moon about my progress. I can't say enough about it. I also have a couple of things that I don't know if they're side effects or what, but I know I'm having like a lot of like right side kidney pain. And I'm not sure if that is a dehydration issue or what's going on, but that's definitely shown up over the past couple of weeks. Also, the joint pain has not gone anywhere. It is excruciating, especially in the hips. So, I actually have a doctor appointment this month so they can kind of take a look and see what's happening in there. Of course, when I find out, I'll definitely let you guys know. I am still on 1,000 calorie intake per day. That's working great for me, you guys. And remember, I was telling you how I was going to incorporate chicken a little more in my diet. Well, I'm still doing that. About 2 days a week, I'll have some sort of a chicken. And maybe that has contributed to my slowdown in my weight loss. I don't know. I'm speculating. So, outside of that, guys, everything has been great. Everything's going well. I'm feeling amazing. I also have a little personal update to share with you guys. I have a new man in my life, and I genuinely never saw this coming. He's wonderful. I'm really enjoying his company, and I honestly never thought I'd even consider being in another relationship again. Life has a funny way of surprising you. It does. And apparently, he's the person I didn't even know I needed. Yeah. So, anyway, back to the weight loss. So, I don't know if it's considered a stall that I'm going through right now, but you know what? Probably not because I'm still losing ounces. So, I don't think it's a stall. It's just a complete slowdown. And that's okay. That is absolutely okay. I am not stressed out about it at all. But it's so good to talk to you guys again. I'm feeling great. How are you guys doing on your weight loss journeys? Has there been any new revelations or realizations? You guys let us know. I'd like to know how much weight you guys have lost and how long it's taken you to lose it and what GLP-1 you're actually on. So I'll talk to you guys again in a few days. I'm getting back to my routine, and I'll see you guys in the next one.